So, news just in, Meike have announced a new 85mm 1.8 prime lens for the Sony range on E Mount, available for full frame and crop sensors. It seems to be a standard all-round lens at 85mm, mainly for portraits, but obviously can be used for anything. We're being told it has 9 diaphragm blades designed to produce a super smooth round blur effect, in other words bokeh. With 9, I don't think it's going to be anything breathtaking, but they're obviously trying to keep costs down on this. As I say, it's for full frame cameras as well as crop sensors. On a crop sensor you'll get an exact equivalent of a 136mm lens. So the aperture range is f1.8 to f22. The lens construction is 6 groups with 9 elements. We have a filter thread size of 67mm. A minimum focus distance of 0.85 meters, so again you're not going to be getting anything close. It really is just to be used for portraits. That's exactly who they're aiming this at, to be honest. The weight, now the weight is 420 grams, which is quite light. It's what you'd expect from a prime lens. I will say the Sony 85mm is 50 grams lighter, but then this is a really light lens for the quality that you're getting. This is very, very light. We currently don't know a price. We don't know when it's coming out. It's obviously soon. It's already listed on Amazon in the US, not in the UK yet, but it's not going to be far off. At a guess, I'd like to see this lens at around £250. I'd be amazed if it's any more than that, unless it's something groundbreaking or breathtaking. Even if it was, I don't think it would be over £300. This lens currently retails at $550, $575 in the US in dollars, $550 in the UK. There's no denying that this Meike lens has more than a passing resemblance to this little Sony 85. It's pretty much identical in shape from what I can tell. Construction materials used are going to be a little bit different, but you do also have the focus window on the Meike, which is a nice touch. The image samples out there right now, there's not even worth me showing you on video. They're pretty poor, they're very low res. I'm not sure exactly why that is. Even if you go onto Meike's own website, you just look at the sample for photos that are on there, and they're very low res. They're not very good at all. That does concern me a little bit. Are they trying to hide something, or is it just laziness? I mean, there's some of the words that are on there that haven't been converted into English very well either. That's just the type of company Meike are. They do very low, very budget friendly options. They've always been a camera accessories type of company. They've released a couple of lenses before. 1 or 2 have been okay, but they're very cheap. So if you've already got a kit lens or even the Tamron 28-75, you don't know anything else, and you're thinking, well, maybe I'll take a step up and get a prime lens. If this is any good, it would be a great place to start. Add a little bit more range and also be great for portraits. To be honest, it has a lot to do to get anywhere close to this 85, which I do love, as you already know. But if you click the link just there, you'll notice I've already done a review on it. I am sure corners will have been cut in some places, but if that's to keep the price down, it's got to be worth a look. I will get one as soon as possible, get a review done on it, report back here as soon as I can. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification if you want to be kept informed of any other videos, and we'll catch you in the next one. Game on. So news just in, Meike? I don't know. Meike?